Hey guys, it's Tony W. I got myself a new drying rack for my sink. Now this is basically something that rolls over the sink and keeps it pretty far away from the drainage and also garbage disposal. Usually I use a rack like that and I dry it right on top of my sink, but I am basically using a roll out drying rack now. So this is pretty awesome. I still have my dish dryer, but at the same time this actually adds places to like strain stuff and do other things on the side and also wash my vegetables or even leave my vegetables out here to dry. Now, it came in basically a box and everything was rolled up. So if you needed to put this away, you could totally just roll this back up and, store it away in your kitchen cabinet or something else like that. But overall, it snaps together on the side and the package is very, very quaint and it's really small. So hard plastic for the caddy and also that drying caddy. So pretty cool. The utensil caddy and both just have hooks that go on top of this. And now this is like a stainless steel rack that you basically pull. It has these silicone feet on it too that are pretty could take heat pretty well. I wouldn't put any heat on the racks though because or on the plastic wraps because they will probably melt. The only thing that's heat resistant is the stainless steel rods and also that the silicone so that it doesn't slip and stuff. So it's pretty cool. So moving on, they also give us these little things to hold it together. Now these little clips, there's a thick one and a thin one. The thin ones are when it's extended, it goes into the thinner steel rods. The thicker one is when is for the other side where it's a thicker one. What you could do with it is that you can actually use it to place dishes to hold this thing together, and also hold other things together. It keeps it stable, which is really neat. So other than that, it's actually very very useful. Now those clips aren't very heat resistant. In fact, they feel like hard plastic, so I wouldn't put any heat on those clips. The utensil rack is actually pretty useful as well. But most of the time, I'm using this to dry my vegetables I just washed, or even to put my like a pan on top of it, so it doesn't have to be putting a hot pan or really really warm pan on a table or countertop. So it does protect. It's a place for it to put hot items like this because the stainless steel is heat resistant and also these silicone feet are heat resistant too. So it's pretty cool. Fully extended, I probably wouldn't do that because fully extended, it will dip down to the surface, and that's probably not cool at all, and it might damage. The heat might damage your table and stuff. So I wouldn't put anything hot over wood items, but if it's a countertop, it's fine. But yeah, it's pretty interesting. I do like the fact that it extends so large, so I could use this as a large drying rack or a large a place to cool things down like cookies and stuff. So anyways, that's really about it. Overall, the plastic clips don't heat those things up. They're plastic. The silicone is okay, and the steel rods are fine as well. Anyways, it's Tony W. I hope this review was helpful to you, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.